Hi, this is Eric Strom with Covering Data Consulting. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about database design and coding and kind of some of the approaches I take. So as far as database design, once you get the fundamentals of, you know, 1 through 3 normal form, that kind of thing, uh, you know, what I tend to focus on when I design is I like to make things as simple as possible. This applies both to my database design as well as my coding. So to me, simple in the design world really just means that I don't try to get too fancy with data types or anything like that. I just try to you know choose what's needed for the job, and you know it doesn't have to be perfect, but at least it should you know be easy for somebody to understand and easy to query. And then as far as database programming, as far as trying to make things as simple as possible, one of the things to understand well is sargability, searchable arguments. Essentially, you don't want to put too many functions against columns to prevent indexes from being used. So that requires a certain way of thinking. But also, I tend to like to encapsulate logic as much as I can. So things like table valued functions, especially inline table valued functions, to encapsulate logic and then use them in my queries. So that way I can make something testable, but it's also not going to affect cardinality when it comes to using the tables themselves. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and have a nice day. Thanks.